What is a PAN card and why do we need a PAN card? Everybody is aware of what a PAN card is, but not why we need one. A PAN card is a 10-digit alphanumeric number issued by the Central Board of Direct Taxes, CBDT. So is it mandatory for everyone to take the PAN card like the Aadhaar card? No. The PAN card is issued only to individuals and companies under the provisions laid down by the Income Tax Act 1961. So taxes constitute of a significant source of income for our country, and mainly we have income tax. So the government issues a PAN card to help collect taxes and prevent tax evasion. This unique identification number is used by the Income Tax Department to track financial transactions and to levy taxes correctly. So who should get a PAN card? As per Section 139A of the Income Tax Act 1961, individuals having a yearly income of over 3 lakhs, business entities having a yearly income of over 5 lakhs should file their taxes using the PAN card. People who do not belong to this group may also have a PAN card. A PAN number is used for one-time transactions exceeding 50,000, to pay LIC premiums in a single installment exceeding 50,000, to open a demat account, and for purchasing vehicles other than two-wheelers. Therefore, individuals earning an income of less than 3 lakhs may also require a PAN card for these specific transactions. So stay tuned to ISC Lakshya for more such informative videos.